Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Stop using antibiotics. This powerful mixture will eliminate all dangerous bacteria from your stomach. A great number of people suffer from bacteria in the stomach, which is really serious condition. The treatment for removing the bacteria is very difficult and this can cause various other diseases. Fortunately, we have a natural and effective remedy made of two simple ingredients that can help you remove the bacteria. As we said, you only need two ingredients, figs and olive oil. Please subscribe, click the bell and share this video with your friends and family too. According to the experts, figs are an effective remedy for treating numerous health issues including constipation, asthma, high cholesterol, anemia, bronchitis, hemorrhoid, stomach problems, and even infertility. Figs are a great source of calcium and are recommended for people who are allergic to dairy products. Figs can have a laxative effect due to their rich content of dietary fiber. They can promote weight loss as well. Moreover, figs are packed with potassium and omega 3 and omega 6, which can help to regulate blood pressure and prevent coronary heart attacks. Figs contain vitamin C, which can lighten the skin tone, and antioxidant, which can improve the condition of your skin. Recipe for dried figs and olive oil. Needed ingredients: 40 pieces high quality dried figs, olive oil. Directions: pour the dried figs in a jar and pour olive oil to the top of the jar. Keep the jar for 40 days so the figs will be able to absorb a lot of olive oil. You should eat one fig before every meal. Within a short period of time, you will notice significant improvements. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family too.